Among chocolate production, there is one intriguing ingredient, shrouded in a veil of mystery, that gives chocolate its extraordinary magic and depth of flavor. This mysterious ingredient, extracted from the most successful genera of cocoa trees and carefully processed, is infused into the mixture at a certain stage, giving the chocolate the characteristic hue of a mysterious indulgence. Hi, Proxima here with you. It's been a while. Today we're going to look at how is chocolate made and learn about the secret ingredient that makes chocolate taste so familiar to us. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new and interesting videos. While the process of making chocolate is quite complex and involves several steps. Collecting and processing cocoa beans. First, the cocoa beans are harvested from the cocoa trees. They then go through a series of processing steps, including fermentation and drying, to develop characteristic flavors and remove excess moisture. Roasting. The roasting of cocoa beans is important for the development of the flavor characteristics of chocolate. This process produces complex flavors and decomposes bitter substances. Crushing and purification. The roasted cocoa beans are broken down into a shell and an inner part, the kernel. The shell is removed and the remaining cocoa bean is ground into cocoa mass. Hydraulic pressing. During hydraulic pressing, cocoa butter is extracted from the cocoa mass. The remaining dry part is called cocoa powder. Mixing of ingredients. Cocoa butter, cocoa powder, and other ingredients such as sugar, milk, or milk chocolate, and emulsifiers are mixed in specific proportions in a mixer. Conching. The mixture is thoroughly mixed and heated in a conching machine, which helps to improve the texture and flavor of the chocolate by breaking down the crystalline structure of cocoa butter. Tempering. Cooling and stirring of the chocolate mass to obtain a stable cocoa butter crystal structure, which gives the chocolate its luster and brittleness. Molding and cooling. The chocolate mass is poured into molds and cooled to harden. Packaging. The hardened chocolates are packaged and ready to be shipped to the market. Now about the secret ingredients of chocolate. The main ingredients of chocolate are cocoa beans, cocoa butter, sugar, and in the case of milk chocolate, milk. Depending on the recipe and type of chocolate, additional ingredients may be used, such as emulsifiers to ensure the stability of the mixture and flavorings that impart a variety of flavors. It's important to note that exact formulations and ingredient ratios vary depending on the manufacturer and type of chocolate. It is also worth bearing in mind that the quality of chocolate can vary greatly depending on the ingredients used and production methods.